24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. You. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. English languages has different parts of speech. In elementary classes, we teach these in an easy way. Learning objectives. Students should be able to distinguish between I and you correctly. Understand and use these words in their daily conversation. Recall. Introduce yourself in front of the class. I am your teacher. I am a girl. I love my class. I like oranges, etc. Ask the students to say some sentences about themselves one by one. Introduction. Prepare some adjective flashcards such as happy, sad, hungry, quiet, noisy, sleepy. Show the first flashcard, for example, happy, and get everyone to do the action. Then repeat the word 3 times. Say, I am happy. Ask the students, are you happy? Again, hold another card, for example, hungry, and say, I am hungry. Ask, are you hungry? Read. Point to yourself when you say I and point to the student when you say you. Tell the students to use am with I and are with you. Recognition. Paste the cards on the board. Help them to sing a song with each adjective. Make sure that every student takes part in it. Who is happy? Who is happy? Who is happy today? I am happy. I am happy. You are happy. You are happy. During the pronounce part of the song, have everyone point to each line. I am, point to yourself. You are, point to your partner. Recognition. Play another game. In this game, students will use subject pronouns to talk about food. Clean your writing board and write food at the top. Draw a picture of an apple and say, I like apple, yummy! Ask the students to come forward one by one and draw a food they really like. Make sure everyone knows who likes what. Now make pairs of the students and ask them to demonstrate to the whole class using I and you. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.